Hello friends, do you know these terms IR, DAR, PI, DD and SV in insulation resistance testing? If not, don't worry, I will explain them in a simple and easy way. So let's start it with one by one to explain these terms. These 5 terms we have: IR insulation resistance testing, DAR, PI, DD and SV. So this is the full forms for this test: dielectric absorption ratio, polarization index, dielectric discharge and step voltage test. So let's start it with DAR. Dielectric absorption ratio is the ratio of the insulation resistance at 60 second and insulation resistance at 30 second. So note down the insulation resistance at 30 second and then at 60 second. If value is more than 1.4, the insulation is good, and if less than 1.25, the insulation is weak. So this test is used to check quick insulation. Polarization index test, PI. This test is used to properly check the health of the insulation of the equipment. So we will check the insulation resistance. We will note down the insulation resistance at 1 minute. Then we will note down the insulation resistance at 10 minutes. So we will calculate the polarization index IR at 10 minutes divided by IR value at 1 minute. So if the PI is greater than 2, it means insulation is good. Then dielectric discharge, DD. It measures the current decay after test voltage is removed. Yani for example, if we test the any insulation, so this insulation will be charged. So we will remove the voltage. If the voltage is still in the winding, not discharge automatically quickly, so its insulation is intact and good. So if the dielectric discharge value is low, it means the insulation is good. If it is high, it means insulation is weak. This SV, step voltage test. Step voltage test, we apply the voltage in steps and increasing steps. For example, first we will apply 1 kV, then 2 kV, then 5 kV. It will tell us the insulation under the stress. Mostly we test this for the generators insulation like this, because in generation there is too much voltage variation. So voltage stress, we will check the resistance is stable or not. So in summary, what we learned today: PI is the long term insulation health check, DAR is the quick insulation check, DD is the internal weakness detection of the insulation, and SV is the behavior of the insulation under the voltage stress. So the step voltage test is most important in the generations. So hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching Electrical in Industry for more videos. Thanks for watching Electrical in Industry.